So this is the WL Toys 2428. It's a 1/24 scale crawler. And I initially thought that a WL Toys employee had taken the designs for this over to a photocopier, pressed 25% and printed out the designs for this. But it turns out that is not the case. Let me show you. As you can see, one motor at each end and no drive shafts. Here you have one motor and two drive shafts. Thin plastic chassis and parts, metal chassis frame. This one comes in at anywhere from $88 US to 103. Thank you Maker Fire for sending it to me. This one's not very good. I did not like it. It was pretty much useless. So let's see how good this is. It comes with their usual controller. It says throttle trim here, but that's in fact steering trim. This is a button for the LED lights, and it's coming with the mobile phone holder. This is apparently for FPV. Again, we're gonna have the same problems with it not being able to hold the mobile phone properly. However, on the next video with this car, I'll be showing you an FPV camera that we can actually use with this car. I didn't expect it to go over that. That's impressive. Oh no! Oh, so close. So, ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? I think we can all agree that it doesn't like sort of the thin, fine sand gravel, but when it comes to rocks and the likes, it performed as well as I expected it to. It's actually performed a little bit better. I didn't expect it to get up or down some of those bigger rocks, and it just managed to cope. You can tell that the suspension's a bit bouncy, we can all agree on that, but it seemed to cope very well with it indeed. Can I recommend this car? Yes, definitely. I definitely can if you're into crawlers. It's only got a top speed of, I believe, 3 kilometers an hour, so we're not going to set any speed records here, unless your other car only does 2 kilometers an hour. But at 3, it's got enough torque to pull itself up to most places. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.